Namaste friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor. In this series we are doing functions and in this video we will discuss about composite functions, composition of functions. Composition of functions, given two functions f and g, the composite function f o g, also called the composition of f and g, is defined by f o g x equal f g x. Here is the arrow diagram for f o g. For g function, x is domain, and for f function, gx is domain. So for f gx, domain is x, and we say fog composite function. Okay. Here is the question. Find the composition of functions. Let fx equal x square and gx is equal to x minus 3. Here, first question, find the functions fog and gof and their domains. Find fog 5 and gof 7. So here, first question, fog x. So here, f gx by the definition of composite function. This, okay, f gx. What is the function of gx? Gx is given x minus 3. So we can put x minus 3. And fx is x square. So fx minus 3. Here we can substitute x minus 3. So this is x minus 3 whole square. And this is the answer for fogx, this composite function of f and g. Now we have to find out GOF. So first write G according to the definition of GOF and then FX. What is FX given here? FX is x square. And gx is x minus 3. So here gx square, so x convert into x square, so we can write x square minus 3, x square minus 3. Now can you see fogx and gofx not equal? Okay, they are not equal. So we can say this is extra information. Fogx not equal to GOFX. Okay, and here says find the function FOG. We already found this. GOF, yes, this one, and their domains. So here we can put any value of x, right? Here no restriction. So domain is for all R. Here also we can put any value. Here no restriction. So domain is R, real numbers, any real numbers. Okay. So complete a question. Now here says find this FOG 5 and GOF 7. FOG 5. So we can write F by the definition of composite function G 5. What is G5? So Gx is x minus 3. So G5 is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3, 2. So we can write here 2. Now F2. Fx is x square. So f2 is 2 square. 2 square it means 4. So FOG 5 is 4. Oh, I didn't write here. B question. Okay. Now our B second part, GOF 7. GOF 7. So G here F7. Okay. What is F7? F7. F7. So 7 square. 7 square is 49. Now G49. 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 49 minus 3. 46. And this is our answer. Okay. So very simple questions. Composite functions are, just remember this definition of composite function. So FOG x equal f and g function inside here. For FOG functions, gx and fgx are defined. So you can easily find out domain also. Okay. Really easy questions. If you have any doubt, please ask me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.